Which baby's gonna born first?
Oh, we got so much milk.
But Nick's just holding it up to his mouth. He ain't even drinking it.
It's gonna be Brent. Brent's gonna throw up first.
Brent's killing it.
That's a quarter down already.
It's fucking cold. I love milk. I love milk.
It's amazing. Look at him.
The brain freeze is fucking tough, dude. Holy shit. That hurt feeling. I love milk.
That's a look of intensity right there.
You can't beat me with those little bird lips.
Holy shit, he's catching up to you, Brent.
Oh, it's fucking bad.
Uh-oh.
In the wall.
What are you at, a half gallon yet, Brent?
That's fucking bad, dude.
Close.
About half gallon. Nick's about there too.
Oh.
We're 2 minutes in right now.
Gosh, your stomach's gonna hurt so bad.
Oh, way harder than I thought.
Uh-huh.
Well, Brent's up next.
Oh.
It's so bad. Danger burps.
Don't trust him.
I don't know. That seemed a little close.
Oh, God.
It's like the heavy drinking burps.
God ain't got nothing to do with this. Where's your God now?
Belly. Oh. My tummy box. Bro, I'm killing it. Fuck this. Whoa.
What do you want?
Fuck this.
It's all my mustache.
Oh, it's all dripping off and everything.
It's hot.
Half gallon down. Fuck.
3.5 minutes in.
You only got a half gallon. Good, good. That's not a good turn right there.
Oh,
I feel it curdling.
that's so bad.
This is the best day ever.
Oh, this is the fucking worst day ever right now. Okay, I'm done.
Can't hear it. If I hear it, I'm done.
He said he could do it. About half gallon too.
I'm just thinking about him doing it, and now I'm gonna puke.
He's not puking.
God, fuck that.
Testing the waters. You still got just a hair more than half a gallon.
Well, now you don't have to do that tattoo, Brent.
I just gotta get over him puking.
Oh, he didn't puke. He's fine.
Man's challenge is to drink the whole gallon without throwing up. The winner is the gallon drinker. That's bragging rights.
Oh god.
He will be the ultimate badass, Brent.
Regardless
I'm
of
shaking.
what Brent's already. Brent's way past Nick right there.
Uh huh. Oh yeah.
Suck it, Nick.
Get that shit, Brent.
Get the fuck out of there, Nick.
Woo! So close. Why are you throwing up now?
I'm working on it.
Oh, no, yeah. Just throw it here, guy.
Really? Woosah.
I don't know if I can get more in.
Oh, you go.
Fuck.
Can we run, try to grab you some Nesquik?
Get out of the bathroom.
Come on, Brent. You're a goddamn champion.
Oh, that was so bad. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Woo! Oh,
Every burp is scary.
oh, dude, I totally fucking pulled my name card on that house. Oh, fuck. Woo!
Look, Brent's a warrior. He's still going.
Fuck you. Whatever.
I definitely would say that it's definitely a war.
Oh, I think I got all out.
Yeah.
I gotta puke at least one more time. It's so bad. Just fucking let it rip, dude. Oh.
And now you made space for the rest of that gallon there, Nick.
Oh.
It's so refreshing.
Oh, Brennan, knock your muffin down.
Oh, dude.
That muffin
You
would go
want-
good with that milk.
You want some of your muffin? It'll help. You want me to break you off a piece?
Oh my god.
Right rim.
Can't really see it.
Nasty. He's trying to buy him.
My mashed potatoes.
Ew.
Well, goddamn, Brent, you gave it your all.
You did good.
Oh, I'm never drinking milk again.
That was a valiant effort, Brent. You have nothing to be ashamed
Dude, I
of.
threw up so much.
Nick, on the other hand,
Dude, I
should
threw
be.
up so fucking much. I think I got it all out.
Hey, you were pretty confident about drinking that whole gallon.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a violent puker.
They didn't hear you.
Tell me you're not going back into that.
Fuck no.
Oh, my $10, bitches.
Fuck no. I smashed your ass.
It was 10 for trying, 100 for winning.
No, I told you if I'm doing it with you, I get no money.
No, that's bullshit. Oh, that's terrible. Such
Puke
a
wasn't
bad
that bad. It came out like nice and smooth and cold.
That was probably one of the easiest pieces I've ever had in my life.
I did my best, and I failed you all. Brent, out.
Oh.